How's your day going?
It's good.
Good?
Yours?
Hey. Good.
Keeping this guy very busy.
Yeah, pretty busy, yeah.
That's the way.
Oh, right there. Okay. I got some fiberglass
Okay.
resin. I'm gonna fix it with,
Okay.
gonna be like 20, 30 minutes.
Okay.
Okay. Let me go get it. Okay, guys, we got a little hole in the door. I mean, little, it's about the size of a door stop. Actually, I think that's probably where it came from. Door stop went through the door. So, we'll just fix it. We're gonna fix it with some Bondo. The reason why I'm using Bondo is anytime I do a wood repair, that's trim or doors, it's always Bondo because it's very strong, it's fiberglass resin, and it dries pretty quick. So, I'll be able to finish this one up, patch this hole in the door in about 15-20 minutes. And again, this one will probably be about $200-$300. So let's go. First thing we gotta do is put the Bondo on. If you guys have never worked with Bondo, this is Bondo. Just use it for cars, body work on cars. So it's a good size hole. And, I got the plastic down. This is the Bondo I use. It's body billet that you put on a car. You gotta mix a hardener with it. It takes a little bit of this and a good amount of that. I always just mix on my plastic. And again, just put a little bit of this with the Bondo. The more you put of this, the faster that Bondo is gonna get hard. But Bondo gets hard fast anyway. So I wouldn't put too much hardener in it. Just gonna put it in this hole. There we go. The hole's getting filled in, but it's too big to do at once. That's why we're gonna do multiple coats. And I'm gonna show you guys this little door stop went through that door. Because the door stop went through the door, we need to move this over, move it over. Because if it hits, this door stop hits the same spot, it's gonna break the I got the